Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate dealchecklists.com for inspection workflows and documentation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate dealchecklists.com for your inspection workflows and documentation, begin by visiting the dealchecklists.com website. Log in to your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Workflows section in the main menu. Click on Workflows to open the Workflow Management page. Here, you will see various templates available for inspection workflows. Select the template that best fits your inspection needs. Once selected, click on that Activate button next to the chosen template. The system will prompt you to configure your workflow settings. Customize the settings based on your requirements. This includes setting up roles, notifications, and deadlines. After configuring, click on the Save button to store your settings. Next, go to the Documentation section in the main menu. In this section, you can upload inspection documents. Click on Upload Document to add necessary files for your workflow. Select the files from your device and confirm the upload. Once the documents are uploaded, link them to your activated workflow. To do this, return to the Workflows section. Find your activated workflow and click on it to edit. In the editing interface, look for the option to attach documents. Select the uploaded files and attach them to the workflow. After linking, make sure to save your changes. You can now assign the workflow to team members involved in the inspection. Navigate back to your workflow overview page. From here, select the workflow and choose the Assign option. Enter the email addresses of your team members and click Send. Your team will receive notifications about their tasks. Finally, monitor the progress of the workflow through the dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.